very simple and easy to make recipe. Yes, it's a Vietnamese style of Keto Bok Choy stir fry with ginger. You're going to just love it. It's so delicious, and if it actually takes only 5 minutes to prepare, including the cutting and shredding of your Bakchoi even. Hello and welcome to Magic in My Food. So let's begin with it. So for the delicious, super easy Vietnamese bok choy stir fry, I'm just going to heat a pan, add some oil into it, and then I'm going to drop some garlic. Finely chopped garlic goes into it. You can add extra quantity because the garlic flavor would give a lovely taste to this dish. It's a very simple and very quick recipe, you can say. And now I'm going to drop the finely sliced ginger, which I have sliced it through a slicer. Just saute it so that it gets a bit soft. Some dry red chilies goes inside it. I have removed the seeds to remove the spiciness of it and saute it a bit. Now comes the bok choy leaves. Just with the help of fingers, you have to just tear the leaves or the flower of the bok choy, that is the leafy flower bulb, you can say, and just tear it apart and it's done. So now I've added that and I'm sauteing it a bit. It will take about roughly 1 to 2 minutes. And now I'm going to add the other ingredients. Here comes the salt. Mix it a bit so that the veggies or the bok choy leaves become a bit tender. This is one recipe which can be easily prepared within minutes. In fact, cutting the vegetable and preparing it takes not more than 5 minutes. Adding some red chili sauce goes into it. You can add soy sauce or the coconut AMINOS, whatever you have, and mix it up. Just give it a mix and it's done. See, isn't it an easy recipe? So this is one recipe which I prepare at least once a week and I really enjoy having it. Even in fact, if you want, you can add some protein portions into it. Non-veg eaters can add their non-veg protein portions and vegetarians can add their veggie portions like tofu or paneer, whatever you like. And if you have not pressed the bell icon or the like button, please press it. I would be humbled. Thank you.